welcome back to another learning video in engineering drawing. In this video, we will learn how to construct an ellipse by concentric circle method. Let's get started. The question reads like this. The major axis of an ellipse is 110 millimeters, and minor axis is 70 millimeters long. Draw an ellipse by concentric circle method. First, draw the major axis, labeled AB, with a length of 110 millimeters. Then draw the minor axis, labeled CD, with a length of 70 millimeters. You can extend it on both sides. The lines AB and CD are perpendicular bisectors of each other, and they meet at point O. With O as the center, draw two concentric circles. One circle should have a diameter equal to AB, and the other should have a diameter equal to CD. Divide both circles into 12 equal parts, either by protractor or by compass. Each part will be 360 divided by 12, that is 30 degrees. On the larger circle, mark the points as 1', 2', 3', and so on. On the smaller circle, mark the points as 1, 2, 3, and so on. Draw a vertical line through point 1'. Extend it until it meets the horizontal line drawn through point 1. Their intersection gives point P1. This is a point on the ellipse. Repeat the same process for the other points. From point 2', draw a vertical line. And from point 2, draw a horizontal line. Where they intersect, mark it as point P2. Do the same for 3' with 3, 4' with 4, and so on. Each intersection gives you new points on the ellipse. Finally, draw a smooth curve passing through all the points Y freehand or using French curves. This curve is the required ellipse. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more math and engineering drawing tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you next time.